I moved some things around and fans running, don't mind that. Moved some things around and I put my drum set kind of in the corner. This is the massive, crazy one. And then in front of me is the Ludwig. So I kind of squeeze myself in a nice little corner over here, mostly just for fun. I haven't put the mounts up because classic. This is a new thing. Somebody put this on, and this is pretty awesome. Yeah. I wanted to talk to Cherry Hill drums and maybe replace this mechanism. Maybe hold on to them, but they're getting kind of worn. But I have a wrench set, so I'm going to try to tighten these up so that they can hold the toms, because they're sitting over here. I was drinking some bubbly and setting up more things, because you know drums. All right, let's give it a go. Found the right one on the first try. Huzzah! But also, not only does that have it, the toms have it as well. So, getting set up, you got to be committed. You got to be committed. All right, I'm gonna go for the wide setup only because, you know, I don't know, this thing's a little challenging. And two, yeah. Oh, by the way, this thing looks cool, but it is not nice on the hands, and it does not hold great. So, maybe a conversation I'll be having with Cherry Hill drums later. No small feat, but I kind of got the drums up here, you know, so that they're, oh my goodness. You know, it's fun fact, my friends make fun of me because of my massive hands and my kung fu grip. I think that was all born out of the 80s and, well, playing 60s and 70s drums in the 80s, because using this and torquing it and making sure this thing stays up enough not to fall while you're playing is like insane. So we'll see how this all goes. All right, we'll see how it goes. A little one-hand rendition. Let's see what it sounds like at first. Not terribly mad at it. Let's see what we got. All right, so I'm not the biggest fan of pinstripes.